Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Pittman. Hope we've had a good day. I'm going to read you a story. Yes. It's an oldie but goodie. Kind of like me. Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes. It says, for free song, go to www.harpercollinschildrens.com/Pete the Cat. There is the song that goes with the book if you want to go to that website. HarperCollins is the publisher that makes these books. It says art by James Dean, creator of art of Pete the Cat. And the story is by Eric Litwin. Okay? So, let me just take this off quick. Alright. Oh, hi Woody. Woody! There's my... Oh, there's Cashman. I got Woody. You can listen, Wood? He's like, I don't know what's going on, Ma. Okay. So, Pete the Cat, I love my white shoes. Title page. Lay down, Woody. You're good. Alright. Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries! What color did it turn his shoes? Red! Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Everything is cool. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? There's kind of a hint in there because it says they're called blueberries. Blue! Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Awesome. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no. Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Can you guess? Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Groovy, he says. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Here. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown, and all the blue, and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? Anybody remember? White! But now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Rock and roll. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. It says, squeak, 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 squeak. The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Because it's all good. The end. For the free Pete the Cat story, song and story download, please visit www.harpercollinschildrens.com/Pete the Cat. So let me make sure y'all can see that a little bit. So you can listen to the song and the story there too. Hope you enjoyed Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes. Stay tuned.